Hello everyone! Today we'll tackle fixing the issue of Outlook error downloading the file content. Let's dive into the solutions. The first solution comprises 3 steps. Firstly, clear site data by opening your browser, clicking on the 3-dot icon, selecting Settings, navigating to Privacy and Security and deleting third-party cookies associated with Outlook. Then, adjust Internet Options settings by accessing the Control Panel, selecting Internet Options, navigating to the Advanced tab, and unchecking the option to not save encrypted or corrupted pages to disk. Finally, grant site permissions by logging into your Outlook account, accessing site settings, and ensuring images and JavaScript are allowed. If the problem persists, the second solution involves using Adobe Acrobat Repair, especially if the issue pertains to PDF files. Simply search for Adobe Acrobat, open it, access the menu, select Help and choose Repair Installation. If the issue persists, try logging in from a different browser as the problem may be browser-specific. Consider using Firefox, Opera, or Brave as alternatives to Chrome. I hope one of these solutions resolves your problem. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content. Thank you.